Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a new eyeshadow palette. So another eyeshadow palette review. This is the Tarte Unleashed palette, aka Young, Wild, and Cruelty Free. Yes, they want you to know they are cruelty free. So this is what you get for $39. A whole bunch of cool colors. You could be a neutral kind of person with just a couple pops of colors. You can do like a sunrise. You've got some yellow, you've got some blue, you've got some coppers. You've got a bunch of options. So we're going to do a look with this eyeshadow palette today. So if you are ready and you like videos like this, eyeshadow reviews, demos, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are not already. It is free. Leave me a comment down below at the end of the video, leaving me any constructive criticism or video requests. I don't know. Also, please hit the notification bell or follow me on Instagram. It is ASHLEYLAMORA26. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, but I usually start out with my Sigma E40 brush. And I think I'm going to go into this shade called Oh Dear. This is sort of like a pinky mauve, but it translates really nice and dark. So this has some good pigment for just being this light of a shade. It's pretty deep, as you can see. I'm also going to take a smaller blending brush. This is the Morphe M433, one of my faves. And I think I'm going to pick this No Fox Given shade up, and it picks a lot of product up, so I'm going to tap it off. But not much fallout comes out with that. Oh boy. These are pigmented, guys. We'll do swatches at the end, I think. How about that? Honey. And I did my foundation first and everything. So we're going to see. Let's roll it up toward the brow bone. Little bit. So pretty. Just taking that Sigma E40 and I'm going to roll over that very lightly, but in circular motions. Circular and upward motions to blend out any harshness. This black-haired brush is meant for blending out super harsh lines and softening. This right here is to pack pigment, a white-haired synthetic brush. So I'm going to take another white-haired synthetic brush. It's probably another Morphe M433, M441, and I want to pack this. It's a shimmer, but it looks like it would perform fine as a matte. It's called Iguana Love You, like I want to love you. So it's picking up quite a bit. So I just want to deepen the crease with this a little bit. So yeah, it is deepening and it looks really pretty. Honestly, it looks like a matte. There's no shimmer on my lid whatsoever. Taking my Sigma E25, I'm going to pack this purple shade on the outer corner. It is called Qualified. How cute. So I guess it's all based off of animal, like jungle theme, which is pretty cute because obviously the packaging has, you know, the wild jungle theme element on it. This is very heavy, like super weighted. It feels super bougie, and the mirror is huge. For $39, that is really inexpensive, and the way these are performing is outstanding. There's no patchiness whatsoever. They're very creamy. They don't blend into one another. There's barely fallout. So like 10 out of 10 right there for me. I mean, $39, that's totally not a lot of money. All right, guys, I quickly cut my crease. If you don't know how to do a cut crease, either look it up or look at my past videos. I don't really have a lot of time today. I know that sounds really bad. I'm sorry. For the lower lash line, I'm going to put this orange shade called Two Can Do It. And just quickly put that on the lower lash line. I think I'm only going to put it like halfway, because I want to put another color there on the inner third. Just need a smaller brush. All right, taking a BH Cosmetics pencil brush, I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Totally, like Toad Alley or Totally, Toadally. So Totally. Wow, Did I just have that conversation with myself? I'm in a mood today. Okay, guys, please don't laugh at me. That was ridiculous. I can't get it together, guys. Help me. Someone save me from myself. I mean, really, save me from myself. Okay, that was interesting. Taking a ColourPop flat brush, and I'm going to go into this shade. It has some shimmer in it, so it's called Swan Song. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner and brow bone. That inner corner, though, that is messed up. This is a nice white shade, though. It has the smallest amount of sparkle in it, but it's pretty for an inner corner. So what I want to do for the lid, okay, I really love golds and bronzes, but I really want to see this shade too. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is take this gold right here called Monkey Business, and I'm going to put this on the outer portion with my finger, because fingers usually do the job much better than like a setting spray or anything like that. And these shimmers are performing excellent. They're very pigmented. Wait till the end when I do swatches. I figure from now on I want to do eyeshadow palette reviews and swatches. I want to put them on my eyes first before I do a swatch, because a lot of times people are like, oh, that swatched terribly, it looks awful, I'm not going to use it, right? Well, I think I'm going to go and do the opposite. So with this Your Lion shade, I'm going to put that on the inner portion, like the inner third. Oh, so pretty. Obsessed with this palette. There's literally so much you can do with this. These shades are so pretty. I'm going to go put on some lashes and liner and the whole shebang, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, this is the finished eye look with lashes and everything. I think it turned out really nice. And now to get into the arm swatches. Alright, we'll be swatching this first row. So it'll be starting from the white all the way to the brown. These are the arm swatches. Sorry about that, that was my daughter. So we have Swan Song, Oh Dear, Hypocritical, Bare Necessities, and Qualified. That is the first row. They all swatch very nicely. No smearing. Second row, starting with the orange, we have Two Can Do It, No Fox Given, Iguana Love You, Irrelevant, and Toad Alley. All are swatching beautifully. We've got some satins and some shimmers. This is a lovely palette. I absolutely love it. Here is the last row, starting with that gold. We're going to go with Your Lion, Monkey Business, Camouflage, Awkward, and Party Animal. So these all swatched really very well. They're very vibrant. I think this whole palette is a hit. Again, I apologize for that interruption. It was so unexpected. But the front of this, it almost makes me feel like I'm drunk. It's sort of 3D, super cool. I like that they made this packaging feel very weighted, super bougie, luxurious. It's pink, it's cute, it's got a huge mirror, and all of these shades for $39 that I just swatched. They swatch beautifully, they perform wonderfully on the eye. I can only imagine if it was wet. Let's see if one that's wet. Let's try Monkey Business. I'm going to put this on my pinky right here, and we'll spray some setting spray. And we'll add that to our eye look. So I basically just pat it on, and yeah, that adds a ton more pigment. Let's do this side. Oh yeah, so I'm loving that. I love the eye look a lot. Now I have to just fix. Oh my gosh, look what I've done. Oh wow. So they become super pigmented when wet. Look at that. Like extreme. I love the look that I came up with. I think it's really pretty, and I love the green on the bottom. This green would be a great all over wash, and put one of these in the crease. That would be so beautiful with some lashes and liner, like a winged liner. That would be amazing. I recommend this palette like 100%. I feel really good about this palette and recommending it to you. The swatches are excellent. The quality is great. The mattes, they performed really, really well. No patchiness. They didn't blend into one another. They didn't blend away. There wasn't excess amounts of fallout. They don't have a bone shade or a black shade, but like, who cares? It's summertime. This has a bit of shimmer in it, so it's really actually pretty for a highlight on the inner corner. And so, yeah, those are my thoughts on the new Unleashed palette from Tarte, Young, Wild, and Cruelty Free. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that it lets me know that you want more eyeshadow palette tutorial reviews and demos and things like that. So subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.